Welcome to today's video. In the digital world we live in, social media has become a major part of our daily lives. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, we're all using these platforms to stay connected. But is it all good? Today, we'll dive into the power and pitfalls of social media, exploring how it connects us, creates new opportunities, but also comes with challenges we might not always expect. We'll see how it impacts people like Emma, who started off using social media for fun, but eventually faced the pressures and dangers it brings. So, let's get started and explore how social media truly shapes our lives.
The rise of social media. Let's take a journey back to the early days of social media. In the beginning, it was a way to stay connected with friends and family. Emma, a college student, used Facebook to keep in touch with her high school friends. She shared pictures from her trips, tagged friends in memories, and liked funny posts. It was simple, fun, and felt real. But soon, more platforms emerged, each offering different ways to connect. Instagram introduced stories and filters, while Snapchat let people share moments in real time. Social media was evolving from a platform for connection to a place for self-expression and sharing experiences. Emma noticed her circle of friends becoming larger, and social media began shaping the way they lived. More people started following influencers, sharing every moment of their lives, and even making careers out of their online presence. But was this a good thing? The rise of influencers and the pressure to be perfect as social media grew. So did the pressure to look perfect and live an ideal life. Emma followed influencers who always looked glamorous, traveled the world, and seemed to have it all. Emma, too, started feeling the pressure to post curated, picture-perfect moments. One day, she spent hours trying to capture the perfect selfie for Instagram. She felt frustrated and anxious when the photo didn't turn out the way she wanted. She realized that social media wasn't as fun anymore. It was now a place where people showed off their best moments, often hiding their real struggles. As Emma got caught up in this cycle, she began to notice her friends doing the same. Social media started feeling more like a competition. Everyone wanted the most likes, the most followers, and the most attention. But what happened when the camera was off? Were they truly happy? Dark side of social media, the constant comparisons, cyberbullying, and overwhelming need to keep up took a toll on Emma. One evening, she received a hurtful comment on one of her posts, which made her question her self-worth. She wasn't alone. Many others, especially teenagers, were feeling the effects of online negativity. People began feeling isolated, even though they were constantly connected. Social media started becoming an avenue for comparison rather than connection. Emma realized that social media was fostering a culture of perfectionism that was unrealistic and damaging. The constant cycle of looking for validation through likes and shares began to consume people's lives, leading to mental health challenges such as anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. Finding balance in the digital world, Emma decided to step back and rethink her relationship with social media. Instead of scrolling mindlessly for hours, she took breaks and focused on real-life experiences, spending time with friends face-to-face, engaging in activities she truly loved, and learning to appreciate moments without sharing them online. Slowly, Emma found a balance. She still used social media to stay connected with friends and discover new ideas, but she learned to filter out the noise and set healthy boundaries. Emma realized that social media was a tool, not a lifestyle. It was something that could enhance her life, but not define it. The positive side of social media, despite its flaws, social media has the power to connect people from all corners of the world. Nonprofit organizations use social media to raise awareness for important causes. Small businesses use it to reach global audiences, and artists and creators share their work with the world. Social media can build communities, spark creativity, and even change the world. Emma also discovered a community of like-minded people on social media, individuals who shared her passion for photography and mental health awareness. She used her platform to share positive messages, encourage others, and advocate for self-love and mental well-being. The truth is, social media is both a blessing and a curse. It can be an incredible tool for connection, creativity, and expression, but it can also cause harm if misused. The key is balance, using social media in a way that enhances your life without allowing it to control you. In the end, it's not about how many followers you have or how perfect your posts look. It's about using social media to connect, learn, grow, and make a positive impact on the world. So, the next time you log on, remember, use social media wisely. It's a tool, not your whole life.